Cyber threats move fast, and so should your response. Real expertise earned through real experience. Active experiences develop elite capabilities. Practicing on real tools helps you detect, respond, and neutralize real threats. Know where your team stands. Spotlights, wrap your head around them. Labs, practice with a safety net. Quests, no hand holding, just action. Assessments prove you're ready. Live fire exercises, challenge your team. Crisis simulation, executives under pressure. Is it real or is it Cyberbit?